Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So sorry dulu, dah lama saya meninggalkan channel ni and buat perkara-perkara yang aneh saja. Saya pun tak tahu kenapa saya buat perkara yang aneh-aneh. Tapi insyaAllah kali ni kita akan start balik. Tapi 9 hari bulan 12 saya akan buat video, okay? So hari ni kita akan main game yang agak seram, yang saya tengok pun rasa macam what the hell this game bro, iaitu game assessment examination. Tak tahu game apa, tak ada description ni saja. So basically kita main that game, iaitu this game. What the hell tu? Sekejap saya besarkan. What the weh, seram gila. Okay. Bismillah. Okay, bismillah. What the? Okay. Full screen or not? Okay, kita tengok
1 hour later.
Dia kata nak full screen atau tidak kan? So saya dah buka spin the wheel. Kita try.
Hell no!
Mother shit. So let's go, kita full screen. Oh my god. Ni tak tahulah dia macam. So kita start guys. Bismillah guys, bismillah. Ui, bapak dia. AAD. Okay, AAD. The fish cake. Ada 4 orang. Oh wait, further instructions. Oh my. Wait, saya dah lama tau tak main game yang seram ni. Word of mouth, newspaper, a dream. How did you hear about this position? Word of mouth. Tapi saya dengar dekat ni newspaper kot. I guess kita tekan je, saya tak tahu. Dekat pula dengan ni screen Do you have any professional experience in this area? No. Mana ada, gila. Saya duduk kampung je. Do you have any personal experience in this area? No. Macam dia tanya soalan lagi ya. Yes, Allah yang satu. Wih, apa benda tu game ni? Ngipit ni. No. As a Muslim, kita tak takut. So no. Takut kepada Tuhan. So saya pilih yes. Do you have people you love in your life? Yes. Itu semua ada. Do you fear losing them? Oh. What the hell is that? 8E2A414. Apa benda tu? AAD. Tak yang bawah tadi tu apa tu? Tobat. Ada. Alamak. Nah bro. No. You cannot do that. Not because I afraid. Okay. Macam mana nak trust tu? Tengok muka dia tu. What the hell this? Oh my god. Muka nenek dia jadi pusing. Ui. Rasa muka seram tu. Okay. Oh shit. Hey yo, what the f***? Tall. Fall. Apa benda yang aku buat ni tu? Game apa ni? Ya Allah. Weh, tekan je pun. trust dia. Woi, hang siapa? Hang bukan sesiapa. Jangan trust. Mata bulat. Oh, ini pakcik. Okay, boleh. Terkejut aku tu. Take 5. Apa ni? By mouse. Kenapa ada hitam ni? Kenapa mouse saya macam delay? Okay, ni pakcik biasa je. Pakcik biasa je. Trust je. Okay, ni orang biasa je. Muka siapa dia ambil ni tu? Muka siapa yang dia ambil ni semua ni? Kalau Francisco 19 victim to police department, what is your emergency? Hi. Yeah, hi. I'm there at the gas station actually. The kena they park. Apa ni? I think there's somebody there who need help. They apa ni? Get outside. He goes some blood on him. He hurt. I don't know. He looks fine. If it just he outside and door and the look. So I can tell he asking for help though. So I don't know if you can hear, but he asking me to. I'm done. There is any way you unlock this door? I can unlock for sure. I work here. I have the key. Kisah benar ke? Then what's stopping you? Well, I mean I want to help him. Obviously, the moment come in, apa ni? With blood on him for apa ni? Tak tahulah. Tak nampak sangat. But and is his face, you know, remind me something. I don't know what something I'm terrified of. Oh, I don't know. Oh shit. Something is okay. You're going to be off. Oh my god, no. The I say he's not dying. I don't think he doesn't ghost or demon is hard to explain. Oh my god. Maybe I just lah. Oh shit. Your over officer. Aduh. Misal doa aku main game ni tu. The encounter so I can is fucking creepy. Okay, well, ambulance still a good 20 minutes away. That guy, so I need to assist him. Not normal. Of course. Okay, aku check then. Thank you. I will stay on the right. Astaghfirullahalazim. 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 Muka seram-seram mat. Kejap, ni bukan muka yang sama ke gaya tengok? Seramnya meremang gila.
Congratulations. If you are accepted, you will receive a letter on
Okay. Weh, asal seram tu sebab dah lama tak main game seram ni. I think yes. Oh my god, Astaghfirullahaladzim.
And while you're here, come over to Dore Park. Admire the tall and beautiful trees all around, or watch as some of our little ones grow. Bring the kids along. They'll have a fantastic time in our new play area. There is truly no better
Korang dengar lah ya, saya tak dengar tu.
Dore Park, one of the county's most lovely locations.
Okay ya. Kenapa dengan budak tadi tu? What the f... I can see it. I see it from window. I see it every night. Oh my god. Apa yang kau nampak tu? I can hear his step. I hear from them from my window. I hear them every night. Oh my god. Hi. Father of many, he tear taste. I don't care. Oh yo. I can see his pain. Yeah, I see from you. Yeah, I can see his fate. Okay. Kalau kau ni aku tampau kau pun dengan payung. I won't sleep tonight. I won't listen to the main step or I will be next. Aku tampau. Okay. Aku takut aku bahalingan benda ni. Aku tahu ya. April 23. Stay inside. Huh? Stay inside, no police. Nombor 2, no police. Kenapa ni? Pray. Okay.
However, we'll see you very soon. We'll be thrilled to have you join our ever-growing family.
Tampol. Create by Jerry. Huh? That's it. Ini je. Ni end start.
The examination will now begin. Hello.
Dia sekali lagi ya.
Thanks for applying for this position at the Authenticity Assessment Department. All of us here at
So itu je lah game ni. Saya tak tahu apa function dia buat game ni. Ada beberapa seram tapi saya rasa kurang best game ni. Saya rasa itu saja untuk game kali ini. Game ngaut ngipit. So bye. Saya boh. See you.